all learner in Edu online classes. So today I am taking you a new topic, that is the overview of Windows NT. It is a continuous series of operating system in computer science subject for class 12th. So take a look the content, the point which we discussed today. First we see the introduction about Windows NT, then require related for the Windows NT, then area of application, then discuss the structure of Windows NT, then move system environment of Windows NT and see the feature of Windows NT. Just go through the overview section of Windows NT. The operating system Windows NT stand for new technology. NT we say like new technology. The version 4.0 was released in July 1996 and developed further considerably the preceders NT 3.51. The user interface of Windows 95 was untitled and revised with the stability and accuracy of Windows NT and integrated into a new version. Then the complete graphic engine, user GDI, graphic driver software were transferred by their user mode and the kernel mode. So it is a great step for technology purposes because new platform set for the Windows operating system. So though this an improvement in the performance has opposed the earlier version because it is a new thing, so it is stand for the new technology. Standard from Unix world like TCP/IP protocol and POSIX guidelines are also included in this operating system. Only with special graphics board and special specified driver software approximately the overlay mode is possible for the fast performance. So now discuss the requirement, how much thing we required for the installation purpose, because this is 2 decades ago, so requirement is quite less as compared to this era. It requires 486 CPU or RISC based CPU such as Alpha, MIPS or the PowerPC. Then 16 MB RAM will require. 110 MB free hard disk space we required. VGA or SVGA, it stands for the color monitor, compatible graphic with compatible graphic cards we need to display purposes. Then area of the application of Windows NT. First it better work for the network client, then as server and office use for office program purposes. Move to structure of Windows NT. First it is the microkernel, then platform like Intel x86 family, Alpha or MIPS and PowerPC, only very little common that time. So multiprocessor capable up to 4 CPUs, it helps. Then good port to platform by a change HAL. Then the system environment of Windows NT. It is a time sharing system. Next file system NTFS and FAT16 it support. Then protocol used NET, BEUI, TCP/IP, IPX, SPX, DLC or AppleTalk. Then feature of Windows NT. It is a very great features in that time. So it is first stable system, then system logs for the events are available in this. High performance at office application, so used in the offices. High security with the current service pack. Then bad integration of the newest hardware because they show some uncompatibility version in this system. No plug and play, no ACPI or the direct USB support. So these are the resources. For more detail, you go through these resources and follow it. Next session we discuss another operating system, that is the Linux operating system. Stay connected. So these are the contact details. You go through it. Thank you.